Have Katie join.
Live. Okay.
Yeah. This lesson looked pretty easy.
Yeah.
You guys just want to go right to the group meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Cool. So do you guys have that open?
Yeah.
So number 3, the correlation coefficient, which is R, is used to quantify, and I think it's A.
Yeah. Direction and strength. Yeah. And the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases.
The
Other
other
variable.
variable decreases.
Yep.
The other what?
Variable
Decreases.
decreases, right?
Mm-hmm.
It goes down.
Okay, the effect of outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant, and that is false.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, the correlation coefficient between duration and weight of the Old Faithful data. Okay, let me go open that up.
There were only 2 weeks left to this.
I know. Isn't that crazy? Hey, how did you guys do on the test?
Not as good as I hoped.
Yeah. I still have to send in the corrections by tonight, but yeah.
I took it so I could read.
I took it early so I could retake it, but then they moved me to Nebraska, and so I had to pack everything. And
Oh no.
yeah. Oh well.
Holy freaking data. I'm in like the 200s. Yikes.
Are you using Excel or the other one?
I'm using Excel.
You're at the bottom,
Yeah, I took it so I could take it again, but I forgot to put all my answers like on a separate sheet. And so like I could have retaken it, but I probably have gotten ones that I've gotten wrong, because I don't remember.
I've done that before.
Huh?
I said I've done that before.
Yeah.
Forgot to write down the answers.
Yeah, I took the time to copy them all and make sure, and then.
Oh, bummer. You couldn't even do it. Yeah.
No, I had a
But
9-hour drive.
I got an 88 the first time, so it wasn't bad. I just missed like 4.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
The one we took before that, was my worst one. I got like an 81 or something. But, all right, sorry. This thing's just taking forever to copy and paste. Okay, let's make sure we have the same amount. Okay. I've got an R of 0.901.
Where'd you plug that information into? Because I've been using SPFF or the other program.
Oh, so do you have Excel open right now?
Yeah, I opened it in Excel this time though.
You opened it what is it? Quantitative inference.
Oh, okay.
Procedures.
Okay. Just for reference.
Yeah, open that one up, and then it's linear regression, and then you just put in explanatory and response variable. And then you see what I'm talking about now?
I'm trying to find the open up the quantitative thing. But,
Yeah.
Oh gosh, so many windows open right now.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you guys just want to take my word, I got 0.901. I mean, the only thing that could have gone wrong really is if I copied and pasted them wrong.
Okay.
But I don't think I did.
Okay.
Let me just look at the first and last number. Sorry, let me just double check. Yeah, I think I'm good.
All right.
Okay, so 0.901. And then the covariance of duration and weight is, and that is 13.9.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so for the next ones, we just look and try to match what we think the R is to the picture. So when R is 0, that means there's no correlation, so I think that's C.
Yeah, I think. And then 9 is A.
I got A as well.
Okay.
10, I got D. 11, B. 12, E. And then 13, F.
Cool. All right, let me open this data up. Let's see. Let's see something. Okay.
Okay, I have the data open.
Okay. I'm just switching it over right now. You can do this one.
I'll see what I can do.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Do you guys remember how to highlight all of like the data in
All of the data in what?
in like a column? Like if I'm trying to copy and paste and I don't want to like hold and drag.
Well, there's two ways. You can click on the top one, scroll down to the one you want to finish at, and then hold Shift and click on the last one.
Okay.
That's if you want to only select part of a column. If you want to select the whole column, go at the top, click on the top one, hold Shift, hold Control, and press down.
Okay.
Did that work for you?
Well, I was just doing it manually, but I'll try it for the next one. Okay, so you said click the top one, clicked like Control, Shift, and down.
Yep. And that'll select everything.
Ah, that worked. And then you can't. Is there a way to paste it the same way?
You don't need to select everything to paste. If you just click the
yeah.
top one and then paste it,
You're right. You're right.
it'll go all the way down.
That is so much faster. Okay. Did you do it, Shannon, as well?
Yeah. Well, I did an SPF. I can't even say it, but I did an SPSS.
Okay.
And I think right.
I got 0.729 for the R.
Did you put the score as the the dependent variable? Or
I don't know if it matters for this one, but I put like the higher numbers 50, 83, 77 in the explanatory, and then the response is 4.34. I don't think it matters right for this one.
Oh, okay.
I think it's the next lesson that it matters. Do you want me to try to switch them and see if it changes?
Yeah, I just got 0.728. I put the score in the dependent, and I think I put the other thing in, I forget. Hang on.
Explanatory
I don't know what I did.
is what we have here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
I don't know. I mean, I'll check and see. What'd you get?
I got 0.729, but that was also putting the
Okay, I'll switch them real quick and just see if it changes, so we can know.
score in one and the confidence in the other. It is. Hold on. Confidence should be the first one. Score should be the second one, right? Because the test is to look at whether or not confidence affects score. Isn't that correct?
Let's see. Okay, I'll just switch them real quick. See. Okay.
You get the same R either way, but
Yeah.
some of the other are different.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
just go with y'all's. So 0.79 or 0.729.
Did the covariance change? Did you notice?
Hold on, let me.
Okay, let me see.
Okay.
Oh, wait, can you just keep that? I have the covariance of the last one.
Yeah, the last one is 11.20906, right?
Uh-huh.
First one is 11.20906. Yeah, it's the same covariance and same R. It's all the other numbers that change.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it's for the next lesson that it matters.
Okay.
Okay, so what we get 0.729?
Yeah.
And then covariance is 11.21.
Yeah, 11.21.
Okay. All right, you guys want to submit it?
Yep, see what happens.
Got a 100.
Cool. I'm always terrified submitting these that like I accidentally clicked the wrong thing or I forgot to put like an extra decimal or something.
I clicked the wrong thing.
Did you really?
Yeah, well, no, I put a number in wrong for number 6.
Yeah.
That's okay.
At least we can go back and fix them,
Yeah. Still a bummer though. Because then you have to like re-put all the other answers as well, and then like, one time I redid it, and it was like my second time redoing a homework, and it took me forever to get one answer. It was like a calculation, and I did it, and I finally got it all, and then I submitted it like my final submit, and I had put one of the other answers that I'd gotten right the first 2 times, like I forgot a decimal, and so I got the same score. I was so mad. spent like an hour trying to do it. But
I've done that before too.
I wonder where Katie is.
I don't know.
Bummer. Okay. Well, she can just watch the video.
Yeah.
I'm surprised
Alright,
I'm here. 4 o'clock here almost. All right.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm ready for the next one.
Alright, here we go. The y-intercept for that one is 2.0. The slope is 1.5. And then on the video, he said like if you do it on a calculator, it shows up different, but we don't have any other data to put this in, so so it's a 0.25 times 16
Yeah, I got 1.
plus -3.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got one as well.
For 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, in my calculator I got 1.
Okay. Yeah, I just did it wrong on my calculator. Okay. Oh, cool. Hey, that data's already in. So make a scatter plot and see what shape it makes. So you said the shape matters. Like it changes the shape when you have explanatory and response variables switched, right?
Yeah.
So
Well,
what is?
it depends. If it's a perfect R, no, it won't change.
Yeah, but so do you still have that information up for the
Is
last one? Because we have to do the same
this the
data. They
last
just
one
have to
again?
know.
Okay, yeah. I still got it up.
So what's the shape of it?
Um, kind of, sort of, straightish. What are the options here?
Straighter than it was when you had it, like the response and explanatory variable switched. I didn't switch them yet, so here, I'll do it now.
You wait. So are you looking at the first one or the second one? Like whenever we switched, or whenever you had them the first time?
I have it. I still have it what I had it the first time. But if you're right and we have to switch them, I don't have that yet. So I would say
Because what it is
the first time.
when you switch
What?
them, you're just switching the x and the y axis, right? And so
Mhm.
it's kind of like a mirror image of each other ish. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I don't know. Here, I'll share my screen. You guys can tell me.
I would say hot dog, from what I see.
Did you guys, when you did the scatter plot, did you, for the y-axis, did you put score on the y-axis?
Yeah, I have score on the y-axis and confidence on the x.
Okay, I just did it backwards is all.
And I think that's how it's supposed to be, right? Because for this, you're looking at whether or not confidence affects the score.
Mhm.
So confidence would be explanatory and score would be response. Is that
Yeah,
that
that
correct?
sounds right to me.
Yeah.
It looks like nothing to me. Well, I mean, I guess like it
It's
looks
just,
like a hot dog.
I mean, it's obviously not like a banana shape,
Yeah.
and it's not like a hamburger where it's just like everywhere, right? And so
Yeah.
hot dog would be the guess.
Okay.
Word. I say it's C. Because the R is pretty
Yeah, I think it's
good.
Okay. How many observations are in the data?
Is there a number?
So I'm looking to see if there's somewhere that it has.
Yeah.
I mean, if not, I could just do 142 minus 3, which is what, 139?
Mhm.
Yeah, I don't see 139 anywhere.
Hmm.
But that's how many observations there are.
All right.
So 139.
Um. Oh wait, it says on the thing, a group of n equals 139 students on the.
Okay, on the data. Okay.
So yep, you're good. We can do simple math. All right.
Okay, so what?
Okay, so it tells you, be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory and score data for the response.
Good.
So what's the y-intercept?
I'm seeing if it says it on here.
Yeah.
It doesn't it. It says y-intercept right there under
Where?
model. Y-intercept
Oh,
b like the
y-intercept.
b. Yeah.
So that's it right there.
Uh-huh.
18.559. Is that what you guys got? Did you put it
No.
in?
No, but I didn't put it in the right way. It's just gonna be
Yeah,
too
all
much
my
work.
information's in, but I just don't know, like it's all in and I have it all in front of me, but I don't see like the numbers you guys see.
Are you on SPSS?
Yeah,
Well,
for once in my life.
well,
Did you look online
yeah, I
about
don't know that one.
how to use SPSS for this?
Yeah, it was on the lesson.
So do you have that worksheet up where it's showing you all the numbers?
Yeah,
You want to screen share it? We can look for it.
yeah, let me figure that out.
You just go to the side of your screen, and like a little toolbar will pop up, and then you just click on the green button. It's like a green thing, like box with an arrow.
One second.
It's to the left. You go to the left of your screen in
Yeah,
Google Plus.
found it.
Okay.
Do you guys see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm at.
Okay, so you got R squared. Do you have the same R as us, or is it different?
It was, mine's 128, or I mean 728. Yours was 729.
Can you go scroll down? Like, what's underneath that?
The scatter plot.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Huh.
I was
Go up
like,
a
maybe I
little
should learn
bit.
how to use SPSS. So I did,
No, it's
and now everyone's using Excel.
shoot.
Okay.
Oh, well,
I
hey,
think
here it is. You got it right there.
got that constant.
Constant.
Mm-hmm.
The constant B.
Uh huh.
1.296.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And hold on. What's
That's
that one?
Well, that's what I have. Well, actually, I have 1.291 with the data reversed in the wrong spots. And then I got .042. Is that what you got as well right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, that's what
Put
I have.
your
But our data is switched, Shannon. We're supposed to have them opposite.
Yeah, Shannon, try going back and let's see your data again.
Um.
Maybe you're doing it right and I'm doing it wrong. I don't know.
No, Jacob, you're right, because mine's the same way. I have the same numbers as her, but I haven't switched my data. I have confidence in the response.
Okay.
So you're right. Your numbers are right,
Okay.
Okay.
Jacob.
Yeah.
And open up.
So what's the slope?
Huh?
You want me just to read you guys what I have?
What? Wait. What'd you say?
I was gonna have you go out and switch
Yeah.
your data real quick so that you and I can see if we have the same numbers.
I can
You should be able to
do
copy and paste
that.
that.
Let me see. Wait, how would I?
Actually, you shouldn't even have to switch them, right? If you just open it up, can't you just... Hold on. I don't know how to say what I'm saying in a clear way. So I don't know if I should even try. Whenever you go to create everything, right?
Yeah.
It asks you which one you want to be the independent, which one you want to be the dependent, right?
So make the score the dependent one?
Yep, make score dependent, confidence, independent.
Okay, yeah, just did that. And then go back down to the constant, and I have 18.69, and then the confidence rating mean 12.695.
So you're really close to mine. They're slightly different, though.
I wonder
yours.
Yeah, because last time we went with the Excel and.
What is your R?
0.728 again.
I wonder if you're missing a number.
I don't know. I didn't have to copy and paste it since it was just an SPF, or just in the program. So I didn't copy and paste. But let's just go with yours, and I can just figure this out later, I guess.
Okay.
But I don't know why it's off. It's so close.
It sounds like it's just rounding different. And they may accept both answers just because of the rounding difference.
Yeah.
But, all right.
So the slope is 12.725?
Yes.
What was your answer for the y-intercept, though?
18.559.
559. And then 12.725.
Yes.
Okay. What is the predicted value of y when x equals 4? We can just do that one in the calculator, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I got 69.459. That's right.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
Oops.
What'd you get?
69.459.
Okay.
And then it says, the confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predictive value of y for these values of x? It says, because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predictive value of y. So I put in 6, and then I got 94.909. Does that sound right?
I think so.
You got what? 94?
Yeah, 0.909. Is that what you got?
What's that?
Is that what you got?
Okay, I see. Hold on. X6 predicted. Okay. Yeah, I see that. So 94.909. I see that. Okay.
That's what I got to.
And then, what's simple linear regression?
I think it's just the y equals mx plus b. That's just the regular one, right? Isn't that the simple one?
I think the simple one is the one that we're doing.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me double. Okay. Something real quick. 1 and 1, right? You don't have multiple. Okay.
It's just 1 and 1.
I don't know. I don't understand the question really.
I think it's just 1 and 1.
How many How many?
Because
So
aren't they asking about an equation? They're asking about one of the equations.
yeah, well, everything we're doing, the scatter plot and all this, that's looking at simple linear regression, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this equation, there's only one variable. There's only one x and one y, right?
Yeah.
Basically
that's
the
what
same.
variables are.
Well, let's try it. We can. Well, my island froze.
Yeah. So did mine.
So did mine.
Let's
Bummer.
get, okay.
Alright, keep on clicking. Here, I'm gonna open it up again in a different browser.
Good old Ireland.
Do you guys see that they changed the look of the UIUI website?
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Okay, we got a
They
100.
haven't been on it in a while.
You got yours working?
Did we?
Yeah, we got a 100.
Cool.
Boom. Okay, it worked for me now. Oh wow, they did change this website. That's interesting.
Yeah.
It's like much more mobile friendly now, the way they have it set up.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
good. You guys, I do not like those questions. Like, what test would you use for a question like this?
Me
like,
either.
I never know. I just guess every time. Like there's some that
All
are
seem
clearly.
the same to me.
Yeah, well, there's some that clearly aren't. Like if there's two variables, you're not going to
Yeah.
use a one variable one. But I'm like, I don't know.
Yeah,
And
I
for
always
the
guess
most
on that.
part, if it was a percentage, then you'd use the proportion one. If it was not a percentage, then you'd use the z-test or whatever. The other ones.
Yeah.
You know?
Percentage. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm scared to do the homework for this one because it says there's going to be questions from previous lessons on it.
Why?
I'm going to get those wrong.
Yeah. So if we're dealing with proportions, right? Like if it says we're looking at whether or not this percentage has changed. You're looking at percentage, so you're going to use a one proportion or a two proportion test.
Okay.
Because those are the ones that deal with percentages. The other ones are all dealing with a bunch of numbers. You know.
Okay.
You have, I don't know. Try that out, see if that helps you.
Oh, hey, I had a question. I'm doing the make an inference thing for our Starburst.
Uh-huh.
And they want us to plug it in, to get the t-score and all that. Do you know which test we're going to use for that one?
For our Starburst one, what was our question?
Here, I'll look it up.
Yeah, I was looking at the make the inference ones here. Are we still recording?
Yeah. Oh, I can turn that off. Okay.